Some of the things that I think private sector needs to do more of, because at the end of the day, the workplace is largely in the private sector, and I would include the MSME, SME players also in this. First of all, helping build better data-based decision systems which solve for this mismatch between labor demand and labor supply. A lot of companies have a demand for the kind of skill sets they need, but finding the adequate match is not happening today, even with all the kind of databases we have. So more thoughtful ways of using information-based decision making is, I think, very critical at a local level, so that we are able to plug the gaps. Second is investing into skilling, but also from an upskilling lens. I do believe that a lot of our traditional sectors, especially like automotive, manufacturing, textiles, which have led to growth in Tamil Nadu as a state, are also going to have components of it taken up by AI, etc. So to prepare for automation and to help the workforce upskill is going to be very critical in the time to come. Women naturally, I think, have a learning mindset, and so building specific upskilling programs for both men and women, but with a specific slice for this workforce, I think will be very important. The third part, I think, is that giving women a proper ladder for career growth. A lot of times our entry level is very good and strong, but many women drop off because they are not able to see the ladder or the pathway of what growth will mean to them. And if those conversations happen more and are not left to chance or to intuition, I think that will help women and give them the courage and the space to negotiate with their families and also stay in the game.